Hi, I just wanted to share a video with you on the Module 2 textbook projects. I thought it'd be easier to show you rather than to type everything out. So some of these mistakes may not be yours. They may be, sometimes there's glitches in the system and you may have done this correctly and it's just not accepting it. So I'm going to start with the first one. They want the first paragraph to be 1.15 line spacing. So I'm just going to go to your document down at the bottom. You wouldn't fix yours from here. You would fix it from the one that you saved because this is just the report. So you want to fix it separately. So if I select this paragraph, I will go to paragraph, it's line and paragraph spacing, and select 1.15. And then if I wanted to check everything in this paragraph, because it goes with the next one, I would go into paragraph dialog box launcher, and I'll see that it has no indentation, no spacing before or after the paragraph. It has a first line indent, and then there's the multiple spacing 1.15. So that's perfect. So I want it to do it to all the rest of the paragraphs. So on the normal in styles, if I right click, I can choose update and it changes all the rest of the paragraphs so they match this one. So I just took care of number 5 and number 6. So the next one is referring to the footnote. So I'm going to go down to the document. And on page, doesn't matter what page I'm on. So if I were to go in and to look at your footnote, I can see that you must have pressed tab to get it to the center. So what I'm going to do is clear this one out completely and start fresh. So I'll click insert, and then I'll go to footer, and I'll choose remove footer just to take it out. And to do it fresh, what they want you to do is choose page number, choose bottom of page, and then select plain number 2, and that actually puts it in the center for you. So the plain number 1 is the left, center, and right. So we'll choose plain number 2. And then while we're here, I'm going to select the page number, and they wanted a specific color. So I'm going to go back home and go into the down arrow for font color, and they want blue accent 1, darker 25%. So that takes care of the blue. I'll just double click in here to leave the footer. So the next one is number 9, the footnote. You did it perfectly. The only thing is at the end of the phrase that you typed, this period goes inside the quotation. That was all that was wrong with that one. Very picky. The next one has to do with number 10. On the first page where you have your insert citation where it says Rudd, it actually should be just the name, the author's name, and not the name of the contents of the resource. So click the down arrow and choose Edit Citation. So it should be just the page number. So I'm going to type 15 and then OK. And it didn't. Let me adjust it. So go back in here. And I'm going to suppress the year, the title, and so forth. So it's just, that's what you want. Oh, they're going to go back one more time. Sorry about that. And change it to, I want the author. There we go. There, should be just Rudd 15. So sorry about that. Go back in here, edit citation, suppress so it doesn't put the year or the title. It's just the page number, and you want to see the author name. There you go. And then if you just scroll down to page 2 under the side heading Customer Service Manager, go after the 0 but before the 3, and under References, insert citation and choose one that already exists, U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. I think that should be it. So go ahead and save that and resubmit, and hopefully you'll have a perfect score. Again, sometimes there's glitches in the system and it doesn't pick up that you did make a change. Don't worry if that happens, because I go back in and change all the grades. As long as I see that there's been effort and a majority of the work is completed, I will give you the perfect score. So go ahead and submit this, and I hope it works. Thanks. Bye.